Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Saturday, January 3, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex.
Hi, David.
How are you today?
I am good, but I am very busy.
Me too.
Do you want coffee?
Yes, please.
Here is your coffee.
Thank you, Alex.
You are welcome.
Did you see the news today?
No, I did not.
I read Newsday this morning.
What is the news?
It is about a new tax.
A tax on what?
It is a tax on plastic.
Oh, I heard about that.
It started on December 28, 2025.
Yes, 20 nations signed the pact.
The tax is 5%.
That is a high tax for plastic.
Everything in plastic is more expensive now.
It is for the Ocean Cleaning Fund.
I know, but my water bottle is expensive.
You can use a glass bottle.
That is a good idea for the office.
It is better for the planet too.
I buy 5 bottles of water every week.
Now you pay 5% more.
It is not good for my money.
But it is good for the fish.
That is true, Alex.
We need to reduce plastic.
I agree, but it is difficult.
Change is always difficult.
My lunch container is plastic too.
You can buy a metal one,
Metal is heavy for my bag.
but it lasts for 10 years.
10 years is a long time.
Yes, it is a good investment.
I will think about it.
Did you read any other news?
Yes, I read the Washington Post.
Was it about technology?
Yes, it was about AI doctors.
Oh, from December 30, 2025?
Yes, that is the one.
The AI doctors passed the exams?
They passed the final medical exams.
That is incredible.
They are in 10 major hospitals now.
Can they help real people?
Yes, they diagnose 95% of illnesses.
95% is a very high number.
They do it without human help.
I am not sure about that.
Why not, Alex?
I like to talk to a human doctor.
But the AI is very fast.
A human doctor has a heart.
An AI has 1 million files in its brain.
That is true. It is very smart.
It never sleeps and it is never tired.
But can it understand my pain?
It uses data to understand.
I prefer a real person in the hospital,
I think it is good for small problems.
like a cold or a headache.
Yes, for common things.
10 hospitals is only the start.
Soon it will be in 100 hospitals.
Technology is moving very fast.
It is the future of medicine.
I hope the human doctors stay.
Me too, but the AI is helpful.
I am a bit scared of robots.
Don't be scared, it is just code.
Code can have 1,000 mistakes.
But humans make mistakes too.
That is a good point, David.
Anyway, I saw another news story.
In which newspaper?
In the Boston Globe.
Was it about culture?
Yes, it was about music concerts.
From December 29, 2025?
Yes, about the New Year festival.
I heard the VR tickets were popular.
They outsold the live shows.
For the first time in history?
Yes, the first time ever.
More people stayed at home?
Yes, they used VR glasses.
I prefer the live music.
But the VR ticket is cheaper.
How much cheaper?
It is 50% of the price.
50% is a big discount.
And you don't have to travel.
But you don't feel the energy.
In VR, you can see 360 degrees.
It is not the same as the crowd.
There are no lines for the bathroom.
That is a very good reason.
And you can eat your own food.
I like the atmosphere of a stadium.
I like my sofa and my snacks.
You are very lazy, David.
No, I am comfortable.
1 million people watched in VR.
That is a lot of people.
The world is changing fast.
We have plastic taxes and AI doctors.
And virtual concerts in our rooms.
It is a strange year.
2026 is going to be interesting.
I need to work now.
Me too. I have a meeting.
Is it a VR meeting?
No, it is a real meeting.
Good luck with your 10 projects.
Thank you. I need it.
Do you have a meeting at 9?
Yes, at 9:0 sharp.
I have a call at 9:15.
Is it a sales call?
Yes, I have 3 calls today.
That is not too many.
But they are long calls.
I hope you sell a lot.
I hope your projects go well.
See you at lunch?
Yes, at 10.
Don't bring plastic.
I will try my best.
Have a good morning.
You too, Alex.
See you later.
See you later.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.